Welcome to the professional prompt where we review your favorite products.
Hey there. Today, I'm excited to talk about the Alzclipp Inhaler, a product that caught my eye. So, what is it? This inhaler is designed to help improve memory and boost brain function, which is something we could all use a little help with, right? It's beneficial for people of any age, making it quite versatile. What I find interesting is that it's made with natural ingredients, so it's mild and safe to use. The operation is super simple, which is always a plus in my book. Each inhaler comes with 1.8 milliliters of content, and you get 3 of them for just $17.99. I think that's pretty reasonable for something that aims to enhance cognitive function. Now, I've noticed that it has a customer rating of 3.7 star from about 19 reviews. That gives you a decent idea of how others feel about it. While it's not perfect, those reviews can help you weigh the pros and cons. As I talk about this product, I'll be showing some images of it on screen so you can get a good look at what you're considering. Overall, I think the Alzclipp Inhaler could be a great addition to your daily routine if you're looking for something to support your memory and brain health. So if this sounds like something you'd want to try out, don't forget to like and share and click the link in the description to purchase.
Scan the QR code or on mobile, take a screenshot and scan it to go to the product page.